Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative. How you guys doing today? I am here with a small little haul from Michael's, Walmart, and Creative Memory. So let me just jump right in with these three. These are magnetic puzzle pieces, and you've seen me alter these before. I did a couple different ones of these. I love doing these. These are fun. And they're already magnetic, so you can make some magnetic pieces, and these are good for Happy Mail racks or just making your own quotes that you like to have to put on your fridge. And they come from Walmart. They're only like $2.46. Hard to find them in Walmart though, so when I get them I try to buy them because they disappear really fast. But you can also use other things, like you can use a regular puzzle piece from the Dollar Tree if you want to, a kid's puzzle piece, and just use it. But anyway, so I did get three of those because I got some projects to do with that. And then from Michael's, I got some more of the Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. So again, go along with that. And clearance, I did pick these up on the clearance. And those from a different Michael's. I didn't have much of a selection. Everything was wiped out, but they had a few things left. They had some alphabets that I wanted, but some of the letters were missing. So these were like, this was $3, and it just says A for effort, great work, yay, good job, keep shining, A+. This, 100% a nice job, 11 pieces. And this one was $5, but it did come with the dies and the stamps. And I got it because it's hard to find a lot of masculine or steampunk, this is steampunk, but that's why I got it. I love gears, so I was excited to get those 4 pieces of gears and the 4 stamps to go with it. And then you have some smaller gears and then the smaller stamp to go with, die to go with it. And I love having light bulb stamps. So, and you got a banner, and then you got that altar clock right there. So, and a heart. So that was $5. I did pick up this pad of paper. Sorry about the glare. It was on clearance for $5. And this is Recollections. And it says get in the game. I'll just show you real quick. Sorry, I should have had this open. So if you have, I raised 4 boys, so, and grandsons, so I'm used to having a lot of, well, my daughter was probably more sports than my boys were. But anyway, my kids are really athletic. And they play a lot of sports, so, a lot of different kinds. So I just thought it was great. I love just having extra stuff on back, hand for layouts. And my grandson too, he plays some sports.
Hello.
And that's him in the background. So he's done his basketball and his soccer and his softball, so I could also use this for him as well. So I thought that would be great to have. And again, that was $5, so that was a good deal for 48 sheet paper, 24 designs. And then last but not least, I purchased from off of eBay. I said Creative Memories, I meant eBay. This framework, because this is no longer available. Oh my goodness, these templates, it is insane. They normally cost $13.50 if you purchase it on site from off the website before they sell out. And well, up to $18.50. You can get it for $13.50, get $18.50 to get the pencil and the clips with it. But on eBay, like $30 is one thing, but I've seen them go over $100. People buying these templates. Like, people are like strung out over these things. I love them too, and I'm trying to collect them all. I'm still missing a couple, so it's kind of, I want to get them, but I'm not paying $100 for them. But, yeah. But anyway, I love these. So, and you can use them so many different ways, and you can rotate them, turn them around, and do so many different things. They're just great to get some pages done really, really fast. So I was excited to finally get this one, because that was on my list to get. So that is my haul from Michael's and Plus. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.